So we have this tire. It's dry rotted, looks like shit. It's like crap. Gonna try to add some air to it and some other stuff. Maybe fix it, at least so we can run it for a while until having to get new tires on this thing. But we'll see how this goes. Probably polish the wheel up, make it look pretty. Alright, this is what we have. I'm going to try it out, see if it works on this tire, see if it seals it up good. If not, we'd have to get a new tire, but I mean, it's just a lawnmower tire, we'd probably be able to find them anywhere. So, but it looks like we got 2 holes. Let's see if, no, I'm pretty much out of my solution here. But I mean, you can tell we got some leaks here, and I mean, you can tell it's pretty dry rotted. So we'll see how well this works. Sorry, slime. Tire sealant. It says for me to put 20 ounces into the tire, but it comes with a valve stem remover. So I finally figured it out. It's each pump is 1 ounce. So it says we need 20 ounces. So I'm gonna put 20 ounces in this, pump it back up, roll it around the shop, and hopefully we come back tomorrow and it still has air. Gonna wait to clean this up, but it says to put the valve stem back in. And then alright, now we just gotta pump it back up with air. Alright, so we got this in here. We're gonna start rolling it around the shop. Alright, so next day, came back, checking to see if the tire retained air, and it definitely did. So we'll throw it back on there and see if it holds the air with a load to it. Really like to clean up these rims. Wire.